We've had some interesting news yesterday. Schibsted Media Group, a company we've been engaged with for a long time, announced the relationship that they're entering in with us across, well, actually globally, for their core business, the national newspapers in the Nordics, and also the classified media group, which runs all across Europe and also into the Americas. Very exciting. They're a very large organization, very highly strategic and also with a clear direction. So we're excited to announce that. We're seeing the programmatic inflection point has, I think that's flicked, certainly in the core markets like the UK, Germany, France. So what we're now seeing is companies, rather than just testing or siloing it in part of their business, what they're now doing is developing the longer term view about how they can then engage with their advertisers, their clients more deeply, how they can then look to manage data, and also then how they can differentiate themselves from the companies that they're alongside. So take agencies, for example. Traditionally, they've always had quite a comfortable place and a convenient narrative, you could say, with their clients. But programmatic also offers them a completely different opportunity with regards to how they can deliver sophistication and intelligence, as well as, of course, targeting and performance. So we're seeing that grow and develop, especially in markets like the UK, where programmatic is really quite advanced. Take something like Germany, on the other hand, where the sellers, of course, and the buyers have a very well understood and transparent relationship with regards to pricing and budgets. There we're seeing things like automated guaranteed and what you could call programmatic direct really become something that they're going to start taking more seriously, certainly into 2016. What we've got here is a video buying tool that we've launched. It's coming out of what we say beta now, the American term beta. So really what that means is we've had it in a testing phase to make sure that the targeting, the optimization, everything's working as it should. Now we're going to roll it out into general release across globally to all of our clients. And we're very excited to see where it goes. I mean, you never know exactly what the take-up will be. And also we have clients that always push the boundaries, so we're going to learn from them. And we're going to evolve the product alongside them. I think the Q4 in 2016 should be very exciting with regards to that. There are video specialists. And the difference with AppNexus, of course, is that our origins were in display, but then we released mobile a year or two ago in the same workflow, and of course video now being, again, in the exact same workflow. So what you now have is a tool, a fully scaled buying platform that's now accessing something over 250 billion impressions a day across all three formats. So not only does that provide a convenience, but also, again, the scale that large buyers can really make use of, rather than fragmenting the tools across their organization. This year, I think there were points yesterday on the Wednesday, you could barely move. We were coming out of our stand in Hall 7, and you couldn't actually get to the exit. It was quite astounding. So I don't think I've ever seen it as busy as this. And also, you're right in saying that programmatic companies historically were almost siloed into the corner, where people would kind of put their coats over their heads and run through it. Whereas now, the programmatic companies are not only sort of front of mind, and front and center in the halls, but also interspersed with all of the the other digital organizations. It's really part of the fabric of the show now, which is great to see. Programmatic, we're a bit crossing the inflection point. What I really mean there is, previously there was a perception that programmatic was really a performance-based tool, and that buyers would use it to extract the best possible performance from an impression, and that sellers would use it to monetize remnant inventory. But really, it's so much more powerful than that. It offers workflow benefits, truly scaled benefits with regards to all of the platforms you can use. And so now people are regarding it as the operating system that it can truly become. So programmatic shouldn't really be a channel, it's really a layer that goes across all of the digital that the companies are buying and selling.